unveiling nature's micro-miracle, sponge spicules. In pristine alpine lakes, hidden biological wonders await. Freshwater sponges, nature's tiny engineers. Invisible to the eye, these structures reveal a needle-like design. Scientifically designed microneedles revolutionizing skincare. Gently entering skin barriers, they boost cell activity and accelerate skin renewal. Creating millions of detailed channels in seconds, these natural designers enable deep nutrient absorption in epidermis and dermis, renewing skin from within. Waking up sleeping cells, triggering natural skin healings, shedding dead cells naturally, a complete renewal process. Witness transformation. Imperfections fade, revealing fresh, glowing skin. Where science meets nature's wisdom, transforming tiny marvels into breakthrough skincare solutions.